Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Elantra tire. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, stable surface, well away from moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights to ensure you are visible to others. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools: your spare tire, the jack, the lug wrench, and your owner's manual. Also, place wheel chocks behind the tire, diagonally opposite the one you are changing for added stability. Now let's loosen those lug nuts. Using your lug wrench, turn each lug nut counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Don't remove them completely yet, just break them loose. Next, consult your owner's manual to find the precise jack point on your Elantra's frame, typically near the flat tire. Carefully position the jack there and begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Continue raising it until the flat tire is completely off the ground with a little extra clearance. With the vehicle raised, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Take them off completely and set them aside safely. Then, carefully grasp the flat tire and pull it straight off the wheel studs. It might be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Gently push the spare tire onto the studs, ensuring it sits flush against the hub. Finally, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. It's time to bring your Elantra back down. Slowly lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire is firmly on the ground. Once the car is fully lowered, use your lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts completely. It's crucial to tighten them in a star pattern to ensure even pressure across the wheel. After securing the wheel, check the air pressure in your newly installed spare tire. Remember, spare tires are often temporary, so get your original flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.